There are places on Earth where the line between the known and the unknown blurs, none more so than the Bermuda Triangle. This stretch of ocean has inspired tales of ships swallowed whole and planes vanishing without a trace, fueling a legend that endures. Stories of compasses spinning, equipment failing, and eerie lights have painted the triangle as a realm where the ordinary rules don't apply. But is this region truly a paranormal vortex, or is there a more rational explanation behind its fearsome reputation? To find out, we'll explore its history, geography, and the evidence, separating fact from fiction. Our journey into the heart of the Bermuda Triangle begins now. The Bermuda Triangle isn't marked on any map. It's a concept, defined by storytellers. Its 3 points, Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan, form a vast triangle over the Atlantic. Estimates of its size range from 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles, larger than many countries. This is no empty expanse. It's one of the world's busiest shipping lanes with countless vessels and aircraft passing through daily. Most journeys are uneventful, a crucial fact often overlooked in tales of disappearance. The region is notorious for volatile weather. Hurricanes form here, and the Gulf Stream's powerful currents create unpredictable seas. The triangle's wild, ever-changing nature is the backdrop for its enduring mysteries. Understanding this environment is key to unraveling the legend. No story is more central to the Bermuda Triangle legend than Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers vanished during a routine training flight from Florida. The flight leader reported malfunctioning compasses and became hopelessly lost, leading his squadron further out to sea. As fuel ran low, their final radio messages grew desperate. Then, silence. A rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared, with a nearby ship reporting a massive explosion. 27 men and 6 aircraft vanished in a single day, with no wreckage ever found. The Navy concluded navigational error and mechanical failure were to blame, but the lack of evidence fueled decades of speculation. Flight 19 became the quintessential Bermuda Triangle mystery, but was it supernatural or simply a tragic chain of human mistakes? Decades before Flight 19, the USS Cyclops vanished, marking the largest non-combat loss of life in U.S. naval history. In March 1918, this massive cargo ship left Barbados for Baltimore with 306 people aboard, and disappeared without a trace. No SOS, no wreckage, and no storms were reported along its route. Theories ranged from enemy attack to structural failure, but none were proven. The mystery deepened when 2 sister ships vanished on similar routes years later, both carrying heavy ore. Some suspect a design flaw made these ships vulnerable, but with no wreckage, it remains speculation. The fate of the Cyclops is an enduring naval enigma. Its story helped cement the Triangle's reputation as a place where ships simply vanish. The disappearance of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963 added a modern twist to the Triangle's lore. This converted tanker, carrying molten sulfur and 39 crew, vanished en route to Virginia. Only a few pieces of debris were ever found, no lifeboats, no bodies. The ship had a history of structural issues and was likely unfit for its hazardous cargo. Investigators suspect a catastrophic explosion or sudden structural failure. Yet the complete lack of evidence left families and the public with only questions. The Marine Sulphur Queen's fate remains a classic maritime mystery. Another chapter in the Triangle's collection of ghost stories. While supernatural theories abound, science points to the ocean's raw power as the real culprit. Rogue waves, towering walls of water over 100 feet high can appear without warning, overwhelming even the largest ships. In the Triangle, where powerful currents collide, these waves are more likely. Sudden violent storms are also common, with hurricanes forming rapidly and catching vessels off guard. The Gulf Stream intensifies these conditions, creating unpredictable seas and weather. Ships and planes can be lost in minutes, leaving little or no trace. Nature's fury, not the paranormal, offers a compelling explanation for many disappearances. The Triangle's dangers are real, but they're natural. Understanding these forces demystifies much of the legend. Some theories look beneath the waves for answers. Methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor could, in theory, reduce water density and cause ships to sink suddenly. While methane releases are real, there's little evidence linking them to Triangle disappearances. Another theory involves magnetic anomalies. This region is near an agonic line where true and magnetic north align. Some claim this causes compass malfunctions, but navigators have long known how to compensate. Modern navigation relies on GPS, not just compasses, and no unusual magnetic activity has been detected here. These ideas add intrigue, but science finds little support for them as causes of the triangle's mysteries. The legend persists even as evidence falls short. Often the simplest explanation is the most likely human error. Navigating the open ocean is complex, and mistakes can be fatal. Flight 19's leader was unfamiliar with the area and made a critical error, leading his squadron astray. The Marine Sulphur Queen was an old ship with known issues, likely doomed by mechanical failure. Even the rescue plane lost after Flight 19 had a reputation for fuel leaks. Accidents happen in every busy sea, but the Triangle's reputation magnifies each incident. Most disappearances are tragic, but not mysterious. The legend grows, even as logical explanations abound. So what is the Bermuda Triangle really? Official records show no higher rate of disappearances here than in other busy, storm-prone regions. The triangle's power lies in storytelling. Writers connected unrelated incidents, drew a triangle, and created a legend. The real mysteries are of human error, mechanical failure, and nature's might. Millions pass through these waters safely, their stories untold. Yet, the legend endures, inspiring curiosity and wonder. The Bermuda Triangle reminds us that the greatest mysteries often lie not in the sea, but in our imagination.